That's pretty cool, right, Gina? Press forward. Press forward really fast. Go forward. Go. That's it. Go, 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 go. Savannah's car's gone. Look, it's gone. It's running away from her. Savannah's car's gone. Where's your... Oh, your car's gone now as well. Oh. That's cool, right? That's cool, right, Gina? Look, dog's gonna go for your thing. Go. Press it. It's gonna crash into yours. Gina, your car's going dizzy.
Go up! Go up!
Your car's getting dizzy.
It gets tired. I need to put it okay. It gets tired.
Savannah, look how she makes her car flip over. Go get your one back. That's cool, right?
Press it.
Go for it. It's going crazy. Shall we take it to the park area and put it in the sand?
Yeah.
Yeah? Come on, let's go and try it there. Turn it off then. Let's go take it to the sand. Have you turned it off from the bottom? You turned it off?
No.
Here you have. I think you turned it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's off. There you go. Savannah's gone all that way.
Sort out.
What do you want me to sort out? You drive it. Drive it and make a flip.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Go forward. Let's go to the sand and we can play in the sand.
I want to drive it. I go to the playground.
Let's not drive it because it's quite a long walk. So let's pick it up. Come on then. Pick it up and then we'll take it over there. You got it?
Yeah.
Right, take it to the sand. You know you're in?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Can we play?
Yeah. Go over the side. You want to play here? You turned yours on? Go on then. Take it that way. Where's Savannah? Savannah, this way. What's wrong with your one? Is it not working? Go and get it. Savannah, come this way with it.
Very naughty.
Bring it over here. Pick it up, Savannah, and bring it here. Savannah, you want to bring it here? Come on, Geena.
Look.
Look, you're making a big circle in there. Got a lot of sand in there, do we? Hey? We've got too much sand in there. We nearly broke it. Now we know not to put it into sand, right? We don't put it in sand again. Savannah, be careful, you don't want it to go over there.
Yeah.
Right, pick it up. Let's take it down this side.
Now we're going to my school park now. Now we're going to my school park.
What's the matter, Geena? Go forward. Go that way. Go that way. Go on, Geena.
Dad, I need help.
Help?
Dad, how do it?
Let's have a look.
It's working. Give me.
There we go. There goes yours.
Dad.
There we go.
Why?
Let's hold it because there's a lot of dogs there at the moment. And you don't want the dogs to get it, do you?
No. In my trial,
Yeah.
you don't eat it, guys.
You want to run with Savannah? Slow down, please.
Dad, I wait for you.
Did you have fun with your toy?
Yeah. There you go.
Did you have fun with it?
I can see some ducks.
Ducks.
Yeah. They're sitting.
Did you have fun with your toy? Hmm?
Maybe.
It's cool, right?
It's like a DJ.
Well, let's go this way.
School park, right? Daddy, are we going to school
There's
park?
a lot of flies here.
Daddy, are we going to school park?
Yeah.
Mucky here. Mucky.
There's flies everywhere, right?
Yeah.
And they're biting.
Mucky. Not flying mucky. Bye, boys and girls. See you later.
Bye-bye.